Imagine yourself at the hospital bed of a loved one. The doctors and nurses have rushed in to resuscitate them. Their life hangs in the balance, not because of a device malfunction or a health complication, but a power outage.
The craziest part was that sort of thing happened all the time. One of the biggest frustrations coming back to the US from Africa was conveying just how bad the energy and healthcare system was all over there.
Njoni tumwimbie Bwana, tumfanyie shangwe, mwamba wa wokovu wetu. Hallelujah. Tumwimbie.
While we were volunteering in hospitals in Africa, the power would go out in the middle of a surgery. A $5,000 piece of medical equipment would be useless because it had not been guarded against dirty power fluctuations.
We all experienced firsthand just how bad it was. One of our colleagues at another hospital in Arusha told us that 1 in 3 surgeries would be interrupted due to a power outage.
We saw these problems, and we wanted to create a solution.
In the summer of 2009, James Malini, Chris Hammond, and Adam Kurzarok joined forces to repair medical equipment in hospitals throughout Tanzania. After successfully developing a backup power source using a car battery and discarded computer parts, it quickly became clear that there might be more widespread applicability. Their innovation is known as the cell saver.
This device cuts costs and can provide several hours of backup energy during a power outage. It can power not just light bulbs, but also patient monitors, EKGs, computers, and other appliances, thereby accomplishing our goals of improving both productivity and quality of life in other countries.
In addition to providing a backup energy source for developing world hospitals, the cell saver also promotes the green concept of e-cycling.
E-cycling is rapidly becoming a lucrative enterprise, with hundreds of companies across the US making a profit by recycling electronic waste. The recycling of electronic waste is currently the norm in 20 US states, with even more currently in the process of passing legislation to prevent the illegal dumping of electronic goods. Some companies, including Dell and Staples, take efforts to ensure that such waste is properly disposed of.
We want to reduce the proliferation of electronic waste in both the US and abroad.
We want to tackle energy poverty in the developing world.
We want to build a sustainable business that profits by improving quality of life all over the planet.
We want to create a product that can help save lives and drastically improve developing world healthcare.
Our mission is to prove that in the developing world, just because the power is interrupted, doesn't mean someone's life has to be.